Look, there's a big Kiyo there. Do you see him? You love yourself? Yeah, I'm glad you love yourself. Do you love yourself? Yeah. Can you laugh? No, only when you're making fun of Mama. Yeah. Are you pretty? Yeah, are you a pretty bird? Yeah, do you love yourself? Are you a handsome bird? Why are you thinking so hard about that? Of course you're a handsome bird. Kiyo, Kiyo, Ki. Kiyo, Kiyo, Ki. Kiyo, Kiyo, Ki. Kiyo, 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 Ki. You're welcome. What you doing? You garbly chatty today? You love me or you love yourself? You talking to me or the bird in the picture? Kiyo. Kiyo, Ki. Yeah, you're being so chatty. Though you're not making much sense. You just feel like you trying out a bunch of new words today. Is that it? Yeah. Kiyo. You just chilling on my leg, looking in the mirror, having fun with that. See?